Welcome back to Sawdust and Lug Nuts. Today's episode, we're going to be building a wedding arch for my brother-in-law. He's a pro golfer down in St. George at Green Springs Golf Course. Green Springs has a camera set up on hole 5, and if you hit a hole-in-one, you get an automatic $1,000. So after the wedding, after they said their I do's, he let everybody tee off at 5 and launch balls across the abyss, trying to hit a hole-in-one. My brother-in-law also tried it, so you need to watch till the end and see just how he did. I hope you enjoy the video, and please comment, it helps the algorithm, and thanks for watching.
What are you building over here?
Well, it's kind of a honeydew. I don't mind doing it. It's just, it has to be done, because tomorrow her brother's getting married on hole 5 at Green Springs Golf Course in St. George, and she volunteered me to make a wedding arch that they can be married under. So these are all extra pieces left over from the bunk bed out to Ponderosa. So here I am designing an archway, and I got to get it all pre-drilled. We're gonna lag the thing together once we get. I'm afraid that if I don't put it together once here, when I get there, it's not gonna work. Basically, I'm designing a wedding arch for my brother-in-law's wedding. Look how straight that one is.
Oh yeah.
I have this longer piece. I'm going to cut it off the same length as this, so I have actually straight legs. And then we're going to use the bent one for the header. So there you have it. Spilling why it's popped.
Forgot to put that there.
That is going to bind on me, and I don't want it to bind on me. It's got a little bit of bowage in it. My wife wanted this thing about 5 feet wide. The things we do for our wives, right? Of course, you wouldn't know that yet.
Nope.
So what I'm thinking, with a little bit of overhang, so that's right at 5 feet right there. Then I need to make sure she's square with the world. Just thinking, doing something up here in the corner like this.
Yeah, that'll look good.
I think I want to run them past, just to give it a little depth.
Yeah, give it a little more flair.
Thinking something like that.
Looks good.
Now I need to make a couple of kickers for the back. I got to make a couple of little 45s for a gusset. You know what a gusset is?
The angle thing that helps it support it.
Yeah. So in theory, that should keep everything square to the world. How's that look?
Looks like a gusset.
Right in the hole. Up a little higher maybe.
A little higher, and that bottom one is right in the dead center of that knot.
I mean right here. So we have 2 of them in case one gives. 5 and 8 and a quarter. What happened there?
You missed.
That was good. Okay, help me stand her up.
And like that, an archway is done.
I'm here at hole 5 at Green Springs. We just finished up the archway here for Kevin and Monica's wedding. We're here in St. George. You can see the snow-packed mountains of Pine Valley right there behind us. What a beautiful day for a wedding. That's a cool looking arch.
Look at that poetry in motion.
Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks.